Hello student, today we are discuss about the most important topic for UGC नेट पेपर 1 December 2024. ठीक है, let's start. Sampling refers to statistical technique that help to understand the nature of the universe by focusing the small portion of it. ठीक है, there are various step to follow while designing a sampling. सैम्पलिंग का जो क्रोनोलॉजी है, लेट्स स्टार्ट. Defining the number one, defining the target population. Number two, selection of sampling frame or sample frame. Number three, selection of sampling technique. Number four, determining the sample size. Next, important points. Most sampling method could be classified into two categories. Number one, non-probability sampling, and number two, probability sampling method. Two parts, namely probability sampling and non-probability sampling. First, we are discuss about the probability sampling. Refers to the method in which each and every item of the population gets equal chance of the selecting or the equal chance of being selected. This method included the random sampling, stratified sampling, systematic sampling, cluster sampling or multi-stage cluster sampling. ठीक है. Next, non-probability sampling. Non-probability sampling refers to that method in which each and every unit of population does not get an equal chance. Non-probability sampling includes number one, quota sampling, number two, convenience sampling, number three, judgmental or purposive or sample by opinion sampling, and snowball sampling. Next, what is quota sampling? Quota sampling, it is a practice of selecting a predetermined number of a specific group of people to be interviewed. Next, convenience sampling. When sample is drawn as per the convenience of the interviewer, then it is called the convenience sampling. Next, judgmental sampling, also known as the purposive sampling or sample by opinion, which require personal judgment on the part of interviewer. Next, snowball sampling. This type of sampling is also known as referral sampling or contact to contact sampling. In the current participants gives the name of the other participants with having the similar characteristics. It is the technique of building up a list or sample of special population by setting up an initial set of member as participants. An investigator wants to conduct a study on politically active student or leaders in the educational institutions. Which of the following method of sampling would be most appropriate? The correct answer is purposive sampling. Number two, a researcher intended to study of the adjustment problem of the student who are slum dwellers. This is the example of the cluster sampling. And number three, study of gifted childs or children, the researcher on the basis of the his or her past experience select a certain individual giving an extraordinary performance in school while excluding all other from the sample. This is the example of the purposive sampling. Next, extreme case sampling. Extreme or the defined case sampling means selecting the case that are unusual or special in some way, such as outstanding success or notable failure. And number 5, to estimate the average work experience of MBA student at a management institute. 5 students are selected at random from each type of the background, say commerce, science and engineering. This is the type of the sampling called stratified sampling. Next, a technique of building up a list or a sample of a special population by using an initial set of the member as informant is called the snowball sampling. Done. This type of इस तरह के वीडियो पाने के लिए प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड शेयर माय वीडियो एंड इस तरह की वीडियो पाने के लिए प्लीज कमेंट कीजिए किस तरह के वीडियो आप लोग चाहते हैं फॉर यूजीसी नेट पेपर 1 के लिए. ठीक है. थैंक यू अगेन.